Hello, this is how we type mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. You see here ball trimmer, length remover. So you can see here I can take all the length from the cloth, extra part of the cotton coming out from the different cloth, especially winter cloth in this case. Lovely looking trimmer. You see here USB compatibility, full charge, enjoy. So you can charge with your computer or you can charge with any adapter of your phone. Lovely machine. Let me take this off from here. Okay, nothing else in the box. We'll go to the cable. Here you can see this is micro USB, better Teapot would be better, and normal USB here. Fine. Length of the cable, look at the standard. And here is the machine. We take this off. Wow. You see how it is, lovely. There's a handle. Here is the machine. So I think somehow here you have to put for charge. Here is the head. So let's say I hit the power button. Listen the noise. It's a powerful motor. I feel vibration. Listen. So let's try it. I bring a scarf that pretty old. You can see on the edge I have many lengths. So I hit this one. Try to take this off from here. Wow. And let's see, you see inside here the extra part of length, broken piece of cotton. You do as this to take out this way. You see how it is. All this dirty part was inside the cloth. You see how much is that? Wow, a big quantity. You see, and they look ugly in your cloth. So this is unboxing of length remover from your cloth. Old clothes, they will look as a new. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.